Hello, welcome to Capsim 2023. This is a video guide for round 6, how to save the company from round 2. And you see that the team did make some mistake in round 1, and we need to spend round 2 and round 3 to fix the issues, and from round 5 we can gain the top sale and profit. So this video of round 6, so we just continue to maintain the top sales and profit to lead the game. So if you watch this video, you know that we need 2 rounds to fix the issue. If we make some mistake in round 1, we need round 2 and 3. If we make mistake in round 1 and 2, we need round 3 and 4 and maybe 5 to gain back good sale and profit. So do not make if you play Capsim, do not make mistake in and do not make mistake in many rounds, because new product need 2 rounds to start selling well. You can get to free support for 2 rounds, so don't wait too late, right? Don't delay too late to get the support. This marketing screen you see on the screen, advanced marketing screen, so it is quite different to the other simple marketing screen. For simple marketing screen, we have only 2 columns for promotion and sales. We can put that, but here the advanced marketing, so we have more sophisticated tables, right? More complicated table to input the number in. But the total spending for promotion and sales around 1,400 and can increase to 2,000 around round 5 to maintain 100% of customer awareness and accessibility. And this is a production table and marketing table. We need to calculate the sales forecast, right? We base on the unit we sold from round 5. So we have fixed the issues in round 3, 4 and 5, and now round 6 we just keep go on quite easily. You see on the screen we have 8 products and they have started selling well. We have added new products from round 2 and round 3, and now from round 4 we have 5 old products and 3 new products. 8 products start selling well. You see that new products have very good demands in the screen. So if you watch the video, you know that in the long term we will gain back the top sale and profit if we invest in early rounds correctly with the right decision. So you have very good demand and profit even higher than production capacity, and you see on the screen. So we need to add more production capacities to meet the increasing demand. about 10, 15 or 20% each round to lead the game with top sales and profit, right? So we increase automation for traditional and for low end. For traditional and for the low end, we increase automation to traditional to 6, low end to 9. We can increase that to 8 and 10 in next rounds. We need to adjust to have a limited fund for investment, so we need to adjust capacity, increase capacity. We adjust a little bit for new product capacity, so we have enough funds, right? Again, this is round 6 for Capsim 2023. So we for human resource, so we use maximum spending for 5,000 for recruitment and 8 hours for training. And for finance, we can start paying dividends right now to increase our earning per share and stock price, right? And if you have not enough funds, because the mistake of team may be different, right? So yeah, if you put sale and profit from round 6, we can start paying dividends. If you don't, so don't worry. Later round 7 and round 8 is okay. So you check the you see on the screen the estimated sale and profit. You see that we have very high sales and very good contribution margin and also good net profit. So that's showing you that we can fix the issues and gain back the good sale and profit. If you make some mistake in round 1 and round 2, do not worry too much. We still have enough time to fix that, but not from round 4. So start early to get the support, or you can watch the video detail to get back to 7 profit as early as you can. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.